Welcome to the city of saints, to the city of loving people.
Now I've came to watch my country against you people, and we want to avenge the World T20 final that we should have won in the first place.
Nah, rubbish.
And we're gonna win today because we got the best batsman in the world, we got the best bowler in the world, we got the best team in the world, and we're winning. And nothing you can do about it. And there is nothing you can do about it, Barmy Army, because it's the Pakistan Army.
Yeah! Pakistan!
Zindabad!
Pakistan!
Zindabad!
We're going for a wander in Multan. Very cool. Got our security with us, and they're keeping us very safe here in Pakistan. Everyone's very friendly. Assalamu alaikum. Murray, quick review, first bite, how was it?
First bite, this is really crispy. Unlike we get at home, this is extremely crispy, fresh, straight from the tandoor. Dip it in this dish. Not sure what this dish is. Anybody help me? What is it? What is it? This dish? What is it? Keema. Minced meat. Keema. Dip it straight in. Bring it out with your bread. Fold it a little bit, straight in the mouth. Wow. Wow, them flavours.
Roti, dal, just seen it cook.
Try the pickle just to see how it compares to what we buy in a jar.
This is real Pakistan. The food, unbelievable. Look at that. Look at that. Straight from the tandoor. These guys know how to eat.
I've had dal all over the subcontinent. On the street like this is an amazing experience. The consistency, the flavour,
Bit more roti going in there.
the spicing, top drawer.
Out of 10?
9.
And I just add,
Oh, here we go.
while he's giving you that review, I've been tasting all the other dishes, and boy, I think he's missed out because I've eaten the bloody lot.
This is the ticket of match between Pakistan and England back in 2005 when the England came here 17 years ago. He did just a little bit scoring on this ticket as well.
So there's scoring on there as well.
You can see that
Wow.
the Shoaib Akhtar, Flintoff.
That's
and many-
amazing.
Yeah.
That is so cool. And final question: was it like being amongst England fans today? Are you
Yeah.
enjoying it?
Yeah,
Is it
I'm
is it
very-
better than when you were 2 years old?
yeah. When I was 2 years old, I have some memories because the footage of match is also on the YouTube.
Yeah.
There was no England crowd in that match, but now I'm very happy to see you in a large number.
You like it? Good food. I'll try. Yeah. Let me pay. How many?
No.
No. Thank you. Shukriya. What is the name of this food? The name of the food? Lebele. And what is it?
Good, welcome Punjab.
Spicy. Okay. Chalo. Right, just going to try the food. Looks good.
What are your name?
Really, really nice.
What do you?
This is really good food.
What are your name?
Charlie.
Charlie.
Like Charles. You know our king, King Charles. I am the king.
Nice name.
To win. Saud seems to be a bit of an Achilles heel for England. 72 not out, 5 down. It's nerve-wracking. Come on, England! Come on! Come on! Come on! So we've just been given these flowers, loads of lovely, what's the name? Ajay, by our amazing security who've looked after us all week. Let's do another Pakistan! Zindabad! Pakistan! Zindabad!